Yo, welcome back to Jack's Kicks. Today we have a special unboxing. But before we get into that, guys, I want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support you guys been showing on the channel. And guys, I have ordered a 4K webcam, everything like lighting ring, all that stuff. It's like literally good to go. Like I have like all the best lighting and quality that you can find. But it got delayed, and I was planning on having it shipped for once I had these in hand, because I had these for like 2 days already and I'm still waiting for it, so it got delayed. So I just wanted to hurry up and just upload this video now. So I apologize for the lighting. Obviously the lighting isn't going to be perfect for this video, but moving forward after this video you should have no problems with lighting and stuff. So I might be adjusting my lights and stuff as well. So I just want to make that loud and clear. We're here, man. We got it, and I can't believe I have it. We have the Travis Scott Jumpman Jacks, the University Red colorway. Now this is from the raffle. If you would have told me, hey Jax, did you enter the raffle? Yes, I did. Did you plan on winning? No. I had no idea that I was gonna win. I just entered it. I was editing a video on Jax Gaming. Make sure you guys subscribe to my main channel, Jax Gaming. I was editing a video. I get an email. I'm like, oh, what email is this? And it says, oh, you have 30 minutes to check out. So I was like, what? So yeah, I got them. I didn't even know it was real. I thought that these things were gonna break because I got a W, because there's no way I got a W on a shoe that's this, rare and popular, but I got it. So here's the box. This is a size 13, by the way. And I kid you not, I only seen like one other W, and I believe it was for these as well. So I think I seen one other W. That was it. Like, I can't believe I have these in hand. So here we are. I don't want to talk too much, but I am shocked. Here is the inside of the box. The box is very high quality as well. You can see the logo and stuff there too. Really good quality. Got the paper right here as well. But yeah, I'm shocked that I got a win. I literally don't know anybody else that got a W from this raffle. So this, I don't know what to say. Here we go. Like there's no way they're not gonna like be this rare. I feel like they're gonna have a restock or something for these things. There's no way. Cause all this, I'm telling you, all the shoes that I got, like majority of the hype shoes that I get, I have to pay for resale, except for I got the Travis Scott Air Force One, the Cactus Jacks. I got those off of his website in 2019. I got a W for the Travis Scott 6s, the khaki colorway. Got that on sneakers. So I might have gotten a couple W's. The brown Air Force Ones, what are those called? I can't remember. The Air Maxes, what are they called? I can't remember. I got those off of sneakers as well. So I got a couple good W's, but most of the Travis Scotts that I have, I paid resale and all the other stuff. So it is what it is. But I guess my luck with the Travis Scott stuff is pretty cool, man. We got a nice little tote bag and stuff. And you can see right here, it has the Jumpman Jack and the Jordan logo on it. It's kind of hard to see. Like I said, like the lighting got delayed, so I can't really show you guys the perfect lighting, but you guys can see it right there. So really cool stuff. Nothing on the back, but it's a nice cool tote bag that it comes in. The rest of the box is empty, but it has like the Cactus Jack like little logos and stuff all over it. All right, so you just come out the bag right here, and here we have it. So they're individually wrapped too. Oh, nice. Dang, this is some nice stuff right here. Nice presentation for sure. Oh, the Jack graphic will wear off with use over time. Really? That's what it says on here. Oh, the Jack on the bottom right here. So it wears off with use over time. Did they want that to happen? Like, was that like an artistic thing that they wanted to have happen? Or what's the point of that? I wonder what's the point of them doing that. So okay, we got them in hand, the University Reds, man. This is crazy, man. Really nice stuff, man. Smelled nice and clean, fresh. So supposedly this is supposed to wear off after use. So that's interesting for sure. I wonder, does like anything else happen once it wears off? Is there something cool that comes off, or is it just gonna wear off and then you're just gonna get this like, this like off-white, bottom all across? I wonder how that's gonna look. So that should be definitely pretty interesting. And now because I have these, I definitely plan on getting the other colorway, the first colorway that I dropped as well. So stay tuned to the channel for that unboxing one of these days, very, very soon. Yep, same thing on this one as well. Same thing with this shoe. It's gonna wear off over time. And here's the right shoe. Got the Jack on the bottom that will wear off as well. So both of them will wear off. Got the Cactus Jack logo right here. Got the nice Jumpman with the little Travis Scott hits at the top. Really nice, man. Hey, this is a nice shoe. Definitely feels comfortable. I've heard that these things are very comfortable too. So that's really cool. Here's both of them in comparison to each other. Really nice. Here's the back of them both. Inside got the regular swoosh. Outside got the reverse swoosh. And obviously got the Velcro. Which is interesting because, like, as hyped of a shoe that this is, I guess that's another reason why they're so limited, is because these kind of remind me of the Travis Scott trainers. You know, a lot of people did not like them. I actually liked them. I have both of the colorways. I like the trainers a lot. And these remind me a whole bunch of the trainers. So I guess they wanted to keep stock very, very limited. And that's why I guess, like, this is one of the most limited ones that he has available so far. Is because, you know, hey, you know, if they have a whole bunch of stock, that these will probably resell for nothing. So I guess that's probably another reason why stock will forever be, like, very, very low. But you do get some spare laces too. Oh wow, you get a lot of laces. So obviously you have the, you know, white type of sailors laces, as you guys can see here. You also get some beige off-white type laces, which is really nice. Those look really nice. We also have some black with the white stripes. These are like the Phantoms, right? The black one, the black Travis Scott lows. And they also got the red as well to match with the University red. And here's the inside. Now, I do wear a size 14, but I can fit a size 13. It probably will fit a little bit snug, but I have no problems with it wearing a size 13. But here's the inside as well. Got the nice little artwork and stuff in there. Same with the other shoe as well. Really nice, man. This is sick. This is like probably the greatest dub of all time that I've gotten so far with all my sneakers, man, because I tell you guys, when I tell you I had to pay resale for a lot of my shoes, it's kind of ridiculous how many L's I've taken. But here it is, man. Really nice stuff, guys. So yeah, I don't know who else got a dub. Let me know in the comment section down below. Did you get a W on these from the raffle, or did you have to pay resale? Because resale for these is as high as the fragments. Like, it's crazy. So yeah, I'm very lucky to have these, man. Definitely will put them on one of these days. Super glad I got them. Just, you know, a nice little chill unboxing. Let me know what your favorite part of the shoe is. I definitely like the spare laces. You know, these kind of crazy, man. These are definitely dope. I don't know. I'm gonna do some things with these laces and stuff like that. But overall, really nice shoe, man. Got the Travis Scotts here on deck for you guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about everything. Thank you guys so much for watching Jack's Kicks. Make sure you guys subscribe to my main channel, Jack's Gaming, as well. I got some more shoes on the way, man. We got some more reviews, especially with the new lighting and stuff that I have planned coming up. We got a lot of cool stuff, man, so make sure you guys stay tuned, and some more Supreme unboxings and other cool stuff like that. And if you guys missed my Air Force One CPFM unboxing, make sure you guys check that out. I got my second pair already too. And what's really cool is I'm going to be going for the other colorways as well. So really nice stuff. But expect the other Travis Scott Jumpman Jack colorway unboxing soon as well on the channel, man. Really appreciate all the love and support, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm signing out. Peace.